Is this thing on?
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when they're...
Okay, y'all. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 16. So I picked up from yesterday and I am officially out of the door. Like I said, some of the things that we have going on today is like school-wide morning meeting where we meet up outside. We're supposed to sit with our Bobcat buddies, and then also kindergarten is doing gingerbread houses. So we prepped those yesterday, and then they're just gonna decorate them today. So I will go up at whatever time, set up in the cafeteria for that, along with my coworker, and lunch is being brought to us today. So it is currently 25 apparently out here. It feels like 0 if you ask me, because I'm so cold natured. Like the smallest little thing can get me cold. So I don't know how long I'm gonna keep my hair up in this bun without putting the hat on, because it's cold. But anyways, I am on my way there to work, so I will see you guys throughout the vlog of the things that we're doing today. It's cold out here. There must be some cool in the atmosphere. Good morning, kindergarten. Good morning. All right, so here's all the stuff for the gingerbread house that kindergarten is doing today. Someone up. And we're done. I am fully out of breath. I'm bringing all of the stuff back down basically, and whatever we have left over, we will just do a split of what we have. We have plates, bowls, Fruit Loops, candy canes, all of the above. All right, I got my buffalo chicken dip in the crock pot. Gingerbread houses are done. Oh, I cannot wait until 3 o'clock. Yeah, y'all see all of this stuff in my car. I'll explain the gifts that I got from my students later at home. Okay, so I got the buffalo chicken dip. That is still warm. Thankfully, I'm trying to make sure it doesn't spill in my car. And it is reading 70 degrees on my thing, but it definitely doesn't feel like 75. Or 70, I should say. It feels more like 60 degrees. I'm not trying to get sick by, taking everything off just because it's hot. So, trying to make sure I can get home. Literally like 3-4 minutes around the corner safely with this crock pot buffalo chicken dip. So yeah, I'll see y'all when I get home and get everything in the house settled. Luckily everybody left at like 2:45, so I'll be home by 3 o'clock. Okay, so first from one of my students, the gift was this cute tumbler, and so this one was actually in here, except this is not the original one that I got from this student. I did trade it with my coworker. The original one that I got was right here. I'm sorry, it's Christmas time. I am a teacher. Like, I don't want pumpkins. I'm grateful for it, but I don't want pumpkins. And she's like, I already have a ton. I don't want another one, da 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 da. So I traded with her to get this cute sublimation cup here that says teacher with a rainbow pencil. And so it comes with a straw and a cleaning part to that. Also down in there, it was a harvest berry candle. It smells just like berries. Really, really cute. Now, this was what I adored. And 2 cookies and cream chocolates. Next, I got this one from one family, and they got me a cute mug with some candy, and it looks like, what is the other thing? Oh, hot cocoa double chocolate, and then a Twix caramel cookie bar, along with a cute cup. So adorable, because I didn't have the green and black plaid. Okay, so also one of the students drew this for me today, and then also my co-worker's Christmas card is in here. This is pictures of her family that they just took. We had the gingerbread house thing, so we had some leftovers. I brought some stuff home because nobody else is the baker. So from Troy, one of my buddies at school gave me a cute little hot cocoa spoons. They look like that, and then a cute new Christmas mug. I thought this is adorable. Like I said in my teacher video, we don't really want to keep getting mugs, but at the same time, when you decorate, you do. So here are the chocolate spoons. They are too cute. I will be using those. And then he also gifted me some hot chocolate, which is really adorable. Another one of my students made me some peppermint sugar scrub. It smells really amazing when you open it. He made a lot of these for a lot of teachers. It definitely smells like peppermint for sure. Another student drew me a picture when asked if this was me. It looks like a cat. So if Miss Davis looks like a cat, Miss Davis will take that. I had to bring home my paints from the salt dough ornaments that the kids did the other day. Brought home some extra crayons to play around with over break for melted crayons. Here are the salt dough leftovers that I'm gonna throw in the trash. I need to wash this. We had leftover pretzel sticks from the gingerbread house. I brought them home for Cam. I know, it's so secluded. I know, right? Oh my God.
Whatever the hell I want. Cover her. Somebody's.
Look, it ain't nobody really still.
Can I get? Oh, look at Adam. Oh, why is he so?